So you're planning a trip here to the Philippines. Well, where are you going to work out? Well, this is an example of a local gym here. As you can see, it's not very big, but it does have equipment, and the equipment's not the newest, but it still gets the job done. No, there isn't any air conditioning in the local, normally the local gyms. And I pay about 700 pesos or $12 for this gym. Now you can go throughout the Philippines, and there are some modern gyms which does have air conditioning, which does have newer equipment. But this is just an example of one of the local gyms. Something to think about as you're planning your trip, planning your workouts, keeping fit, because it is important to be fit as you go throughout the Philippines here, right? As you travel. Stay fit, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it answered a few of your questions. Again, the newer gyms are generally about $30 to $50. See you guys in the next one.